Alright, so I'm looking at this 2000 model Chevrolet Silverado. We got problems with the hood latch going down the road, and this hood latch decides to pop open. And if you look at it, it's got quite a bit of slack in it, okay? I think also if you look in there, I don't know if you could see it or not, but that end of this little key that unlatches it has a lot of wear on it. So whenever it's in the latched position, this is what's holding it, okay? And of course, you know, you pop this and that releases it, and it's got a lot of wear on it. So trying to get it in there where everybody can see that thing better. Anyway, so it pops open and it's kind of a surprise for everybody, but the emergency latch there holds it just fine. I don't even know if this is a stock part or not. It says Dura on there. But anyway, we got the Dorman part. That's what it looks like. I'm put the coat hanger on there for the pop because the cable for the pop thing is gone. Okay, so that doesn't help. Goes in fairly easily. Now I'm gonna attempt to put it back in as close as what it was before. I'll have to shut it and look at it a few times. See what we got, you know, as far as where the holes are and how it's closing and all that. But yeah, it's about $65 or something like that from O'Reilly. So part of this is just trying to get a good idea about that pop mechanism. You know, it's just gonna have to rig up something for now and see how it goes. So hang on, let me get it to the next spot here. Alright, so I've got that sucker in there. I've got a nice little pull wire here for that. Situate some of this stuff so that we can close it. Have a good look at things. That looks pretty good. A little low on this side. I think that's part of this car being wrecked before. But I think that's looking pretty good. Test out the pull switch. There we go. There we are. I think we have us a genuine hood latch. That's it. Have a good day.